What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for stopping by and clicking on this video. If you're new, hi, my name is Maria. In this video, I plan on switching out my current shift boot to a completely new one that I purchased from Jalisco's carbon fiber. So right now I switched out my shift boot a couple months ago. It's pink right now. I spray painted it. I'll show you it as soon as we go to my car. But I want to revamp it because it's, well, you'll see it. But I purchased this carbon fiber one. And I got it glossy, and it comes with this black knob. And so I want to put this on my car and take off the one that I have currently on my car. So this is what came in the box. And I also got a sticker, the Jalisco's carbon fiber. And that was it. And then just this card. So I also plan on switching out my shift boot from the regular manufactured black one to this one right here, which I purchased off of Love to Ship. And it's this really pretty hot pink, like velour shift boot, as you can see. And it's soft and I love it. It's gonna look really pretty in my car. And then there's the tag, Love to Shift. So yeah. I don't know when I'm gonna do this one, but I definitely wanna put this in my car today. But I know with this one, I'm gonna have to really take everything apart, so. Let's just go to the car and see what I'm working with. All right, so this is what we are working with right now. This is what my shift knob looks like. It's one of those just push down and push back. And then I have this here to cover up this gap. So it's like, boop. That's what it looks like. So now we're just gonna change that. It's cold outside. Here we go. I'm gonna have this. All right, let's get into this. All right, so let's take this thing off. And just had to unscrew this. Oh, there's the spring. You'll need this. Take this. So this is the bottom piece. I think I'm gonna spray paint this black. Not today, but soon. And then this would attach to the bottom piece, but it doesn't right now because I removed it. So put this on here. You gotta put the clip in first. So it goes this way. If you can see, it's gonna go that way. Up here. So as you can see, this clip is the stock clip that came with my stock shift knob. This clip right here came with this one, the one that Jalisco sent over, So, but this one is a lot longer. So I'm gonna just keep this to the side right here, and I'm gonna use this one, the one that the original stock one comes with, and it should, yes, fit perfect. Since my shift boot doesn't connect, I'm just going to take this and cover it up for now. Boop. So let me show you how it looks. All right, there you go. You have it. And then, yeah, it works. Goes into neutral. Goes into drive. Goes back into reverse. Goes into park. All right, well, that's how it looks. Well, all right, you guys, that is going to wrap up my video. Thanks for tuning in. Look out for my next video, which is hopefully installing this shift boot, because so pretty, and spray painting that one piece on the shift knob on the bottom. So I want to spray paint that black and then add this to my car. So keep a lookout for that video. I plan to do that next. I also want to start a new series on my channel that has nothing to do with like doing anything with my car, but more organizing, more cleaning, more things that I do on a daily basis that I feel like I can make content out of that I don't. And so I want to start kind of diving into that, and keep an eye out. I don't know what the series is going to be called. I don't know how I'm going to start it or what videos I'm going to come out with first. But yeah, that's in the works right now. So keep an eye out for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. See you later. Bye.